A chatbot that corrects for you. You heard me right. It's free. Wow, you cannot miss this. You will love it. Link will be in the description as always, no worries. Sign up with your Google account. It's easy. You can choose the language. Let's explore. You have your chatbots on My Chatbots. You can explore other chatbots and use them. You can search a topic and simply use it. But let's create our own, because this is brilliant. I've already created, here it is. I've tested it with my students and it works perfectly. It's free for teachers, but you have a daily limit of 50 students. If you want to pay, the subscription is $12. I have a free account. Now let's create your chatbot. Two options. You can custom it or generate it with AI. I prefer the former. Now let's start with the title and the instructions. Write your instructions. I'll leave a prompt in the description if you want to use it. Choose the grade level, insert a photo, choose a name for your chatbot. You can also generate an image or upload a photo you have. That's it, can you imagine? Just click on publish. It has to be public to share it with the students. Your chatbot is ready. Yeah. Let's test it. I'll write a sentence with a mistake and the chatbot corrects it, gives it feedback, positive reinforcement, explains the mistake, which was what I asked for. This has happened for me. The students can write their texts and it will correct it. How fantastic is this? How about some prompt tips? Ask for the correction of the mistake. Ask for positive reinforcement. Ask for the explanation of the mistakes. Ask for exercises to improve these mistakes. These are just examples. In my opinion, this is absolutely groundbreaking for teachers, and you will love it for sure. If you want to stay in the loop of AI and not waste any time, check out my playlist. I have an educational AI playlist you cannot afford to miss because you will love it. So many tools to help you. You will never lose time in your life ever again. If you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you and your project. Thanks so much for being here with me. Bye bye for now.